Imagine diving into a world of living rainbows. That's what it's like to explore a coral reef. The ocean is full of surprises, and none are more dazzling than tropical fish. These underwater jewels come in every color you can think of. Tropical fish are nature's own fireworks display. They flash and shimmer as they dart through the water. Some are bright orange like tiny flames. Others are electric blue like summer skies. And some are so colorful they look like swimming rainbows. It's a feast for the eyes that never gets old, so let's dive in and explore this magical underwater world. Let's start our underwater adventure with a familiar face, the clownfish, also known as the anemone fish. You might know him better as Nemo from the famous movie. They're bright orange with white stripes, and they have a personality as big as the ocean. Clownfish live in sea anemones, which are like underwater flowers. But these flowers have stinging tentacles. Most fish stay away, but not the clownfish. Their skin is coated with mucus that protects them from the sting. It's like they're wearing an invisible suit of armor. Did you know that all clownfish are born male? The biggest fish in the group becomes female. If she leaves, the next biggest male changes into a female. Clownfish are also great parents. Dad does most of the work. They live in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. These little guys are truly special. Now let's meet the ballerinas of the sea, the angelfish. These fish are simply stunning. They have flat, round bodies and long, flowing fins. When they swim, they look like they're dancing through the water. Angelfish come in many colors and patterns. Some are bright yellow, like little swimming sun. Others are deep blue with golden stripes. One of the most beautiful is the emperor angelfish. It has blue and yellow stripes as a youngster, but as an adult, it turns into a work of art. These fish are not just pretty faces, they're also very smart. Angelfish can recognize their owners in home aquariums. In the wild, angelfish are found in coral reefs. They like to hide in small caves and crevices. Some species of angelfish eat parasites off other fish. These graceful swimmers truly are angels of the reef. Next is the mandarin fish, a living work of art. Get ready to meet one of the most colorful fish in the sea, the mandarin fish. This little guy looks like he swam right out of a painter's palette. Its body is covered in swirls of bright blue, orange, and green. The mandarin fish is small, only about 3 inches long, but what it lacks in size, it makes up for in beauty. Its scales look like tiny, colorful tiles. They form intricate patterns that are different on every fish. No two mandarin fish look exactly alike. These little beauties live in the Pacific Ocean near Indonesia and the Philippines. They like to hide in coral reefs. Mandarin fish are shy creatures. They prefer to stay close to the bottom, where they can quickly dart into hiding spots. They're most active at dusk and dawn, but the most fascinating thing about them is their mating dance. Every evening, mandarin fish perform an elaborate courtship ritual. It's like a beautiful underwater ballet that happens every night. Next is the lionfish beauty with a sting. Now let's meet a fish that's both beautiful and dangerous, the lionfish. This fish looks like it's dressed for a fancy party. It has long, feather-like fins that fan out around its body. These fins are striped red and white like a candy cane. The lionfish is a real showstopper, but don't let its beauty fool you. The lionfish has a secret weapon. Those beautiful fins are full of venomous spines. If you touch them, you'll get a nasty sting. Lionfish are native to the Indo-Pacific region, but they've become a big problem in other parts of the world. People kept them as pets in aquariums. Some were released into the wild. Now they're an invasive species in places like the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. Despite the problems they cause, lionfish are fascinating creatures. These beautiful but dangerous fish remind us that in nature, looks can be deceiving. At last, protecting our underwater friends. We've met some amazing fish today, from the friendly clownfish to the dazzling mandarin fish. Each one is a living jewel in our oceans, but these beautiful creatures face many dangers, and they need our help to survive. One of the biggest threats to tropical fish is climate change. As the oceans get warmer, coral reefs are dying. And when the reefs die, the fish lose their homes. Pollution is another big problem. Plastic trash in the ocean can harm or kill fish, but there's good news too. People all over the world are working to protect our oceans. They're cleaning up beaches and reducing plastic use. We can all help protect tropical fish, even if we live far from the ocean. Let's make sure future generations can enjoy the underwater rainbow too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing nature's adventures. and ways you can help protect our nature.